So I got a new pair of Vans. Ano pa lang gawin? Tara, unbox natin. Let's go. And yes, tama kang narinig. I got a new pair of Vans. Ito, medyo kakaiba tong Vans na to kasi hindi pa to locally released dito sa Philippines. Nagamit ko na to eh. And I got this from Korea. Iyon o. Pansin nyo, itong pair na to is very rugged look. Kasi kasama siya sa style. Pero gamit ko naman talaga na to. Sinuot ko to sa Korea and naka 20,000 steps ako nang hindi sumasakit yung paa ko. Be asking, pare, Vans naman yan eh. Baka mamaya masakit sa paa. But no. Like what I said earlier, nakasurvive to ng 20,000 steps without hurting my feet. So ayo, what do you guys think about this pair? Is it a cop or drop? Kasi for me, sure cop talaga. Next level talaga ang bagong premium line of Vans. So ayun, so hopefully ma-release na to locally. Kaya Vans Philippines, baka naman no. So again, see you on my next vid. Peace!